Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do like something fun. It's fun to me and it might be fun for you to watch, but we're gonna be like renovating slash remodeling slash I don't know to my beauty room, because I just don't like the way my beauty room looks. I'm looking up here so I can see behind me because I have a viewfinder. I got a new camera if you've been on my channel, and my old camera didn't have a viewfinder and this camera does, so it's really hard because I'll be looking up here at myself versus looking at the lens. Today we're just going to be like changing my beauty room up. It's some stuff I have to fix, it's some stuff I want to add. It's just like I'm not really changing much, but I just want to change the appearance of it. Just something really small changes, but I thought I would just show you guys the process of what I'm doing because I want to and it's fun and I like videos like this, so why not? Some of the things that you guys can see right now is like, you can see like, first of all, the curtains. And this background is just not appealing because the curtains are super dark. It doesn't look good. First of all, the curtains are mismatched. One's black, one's gray. Not gray. One's black, one's brown. So it's just like, first of all, that's tacky and raggedy as hell. This just looks like darkness, terrible, disaster. I don't know. I hate the way it looks. I had other stuff around my house I was dealing with, and now it's time for this room. And this is my space where I'm going to be recording with you guys the most, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. The next thing that's like super annoying and tacky to me is if you look at this right here at this, like just the trim of this, what is this, a closet? That's a hot mess. Like the trim of that is a hot mess. Like first of all, one half of it is like white and then the inside is like brown. Like they half-assed the job, whoever I'm renting from. That was just a hot ass mess. So I just want to get some paint and paint that just white, like go around it. And I might actually paint the door, the actual closet door, I might paint that white as well. It is white, but it's like dirty white, so I might paint it or just get a Mr. Clean eraser sponge and then just try to see if I can clean it. But that door is tacky. I need to repaint the doorway. Something else is actually like that back wall. Like even though this part up here is like white because that's my wallpaper, you can see like over here where the wallpaper stops. Oh, I can't do it, I'm trying to look in the camera. But over here where the wallpaper stops, the actual wall starts again, and the wall is like a taupe color, and I do love this color, but it just doesn't look appealing from my background. But what I'm gonna do is something really easy and simple to me. I'm not gonna paint the whole, I'm gonna paint that part of the wall white, but I'm not gonna paint my whole beauty room because the rest of my beauty room, I'll show you, is taupe as well. Like this stuff is taupe over here, but I just feel like I can have an accent wall, and it would be really nice to just paint this whole wall around the wallpaper white and it become like an accent wall, just like a white accent wall. I think that would be really nice. So far guys, we have curtains, the trimming, the accent wall, but I'm gonna move this out the background, but that's not a big fix. That's just, I just need to figure out where it's gonna go, but that's not a really big fix for me. I'm gonna just move that out the way. I'm trying to spend less than $100 to be honest. But yeah, so that's about it, right? It's really just about this back area, and I might buy some extra stuff to just make my beauty room look better as a whole. Like over here, this box is my camera supplies, and it so annoys me. I might be able to buy a prettier looking decorative box to put my camera supplies in, but that's what that is over there. Once I fix this side of the room, it will look different because I'm also going to change some of the stuff on that rack. I didn't even mention that, but I will be taking all the black hangers off of this rack to make it just look more appealing and have all white hangers. And I'm gonna go through and just try to take the more colorful pieces off of here. So that's everything that I feel like I need to do. Video quality is good. I'm on my phone. The camera's right here because I'm like scared to record in here, so I'm on my phone. But I have an iPhone X, so I think the camera should be really good. So we in Target now. I went to Joanne Fabric. Oh, cool. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about my channel. But we in Target now. Courtney doing her thing. But we came in Target because we need curtains. We went to Joann's Fabric, but I'll show you everything later. We got this out of Home Depot. But yes, baby, where is the curtains? So this is everything I got from my little haul. I'm gonna do a quick haul to show you everything I got for the revamp. This is the paint that I got. If it'll adjust, And I got it in the color Ultra Pure White, so I don't really know. They showed us a sample. We didn't see a sample with someone outside of another paint can, which was really nice, and the finish was really nice. So to apply the paint, I got this little thing. You know how you put the little roller thing? I got this little small roller. I also got a regular paintbrush. I also got the Mr. Clean erasers that I told you guys I was gonna get. And then the last thing I got from Home Depot was this box. You guys know I said I was looking for a box for my camera supplies over here that I showed you guys. I was looking for a box for that. So I got this box, and I actually wound up finding another box. So I'll show you guys that when I get to that portion of the haul. But I got this box for that, but I'm not gonna use it for that. So after we went to Home Depot, we wound up going to Joann's Fabric. For the top of that wallpaper cutoff, I wanted to get some fabric, and also I wanted to get a little something to line this part and this cutoff between the wall and the wallpaper and the paint, because I'm going to paint that portion of the wall white as well. I'm going to paint this whole back wall white. So after that, we went to Target. I almost dropped the hangers, but I got some white hangers from Target like I told you guys I was going to get. You see all those hangers on that rack are black, which look really tacky. So I got some white hangers. So we got these curtains here. They're like a nice pretty gray tone. There you go. And they look like that. And the one thing that was so stupid to me is, I don't know if you guys can see, but at the bottom there it says one panel included. Like, one panel means not the whole set of the curtain. One panel is just one of these. How you gonna sell a curtain for one thing, like just one thing, and then they're so stupid to me. So I got 4 of these, and they were $9.99 each, so this was a total of $40. And the last thing I got from Target was an actual bin, and this is what I'm going to be using to put my camera supplies in. I feel like this is really pretty. It's really cute, and it's nice. It's big enough. It's actually a little bit bigger than the box right now that my camera stuff is in. So this is going to be on top of my dresser over here. It's easily accessible to me to grab my camera stuff if in case I'm just running out, you know, anything like that, and it's right there. I'm going to do everything tomorrow. So I just wanted to show you guys this quick haul. Earlier I told you all the issues I have in here. Then I ran to Home Depot and stuff like that, all the stores. Now I'm back, gave you guys a quick call, and then tomorrow we're gonna get into the actual physical activities of everything that I need to do. So stay tuned. So, excuse my eyeballs. I have really bad allergies. My eyes burn, and then I'm in front of these super bright. Can you tell how bright these lights are from my hands? I'm going through it, but I have to get this video finished because the whole entire video is edited, and the only thing I have to put in the video is the portion of the finished product and me doing this. I look crazy, I know. My eyes are like burning. Wait, why am I so bright? Ugh. But I'm just trying to show you guys that it looks better in here, like in comparison to when I first started, like the whole purpose of this video. Like, it looks good. I think it looks really good in here. I like it. My favorite part is this wall over here. This wall was actually a mistake. I wasn't supposed to paint that, but when I was painting, I messed up and accidentally got some paint over there, so I just painted like half the wall. But I think it looks kind of cool. I'm so in love with everything. I love the way it came out. My eyes burn so bad. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so happy. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys subscribe so you can see me actually record in my background that I worked so hard for. So yeah, I don't know, but I'm gonna go and get off camera and go put some eye drops in my eyes because they feel like they're about to fall out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.